this speech audiometry has two components. What are the two components? Number one, we have the speech reception threshold. Okay, so now we all love cricket in India. So cricket, we have it, this is known as cricket crazy country. So the speech reception threshold, how we can remember it? We can remember it as SRT. What is SRT? SRT is, in cricket, SRT means Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar. Okay, so I call it as SRT score, the god of cricket, Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar. Okay, so this is the SRT score. Okay, so now we know the BCCI, it created a score that anyone who can hit more than 50% balls outside the boundary, we will keep that person in our cricket team. Okay, so they brought out a score, so that is known as SRT score, right? So anyone who can throw out 50% balls outside the boundary, okay, who can hit the 50% balls outside the boundary, that batsman will be kept in the cricket team. Okay, so that is your SRT, speech reception threshold. So what does this speech reception threshold means? This means that sounds are given. What sounds? Disyllabus speech sounds, spondy words. These are known as spondy words. Okay, so spondy words means pin, ball, pen, cake, hardware. Okay, so you see playground. These are two syllabi, bisyllabi words. Each word has equal weightage. Okay, each word has equal stress. So these are bisyllabi word, and the individual has to identify all these words, at least 50% of these words correctly, right? So this is SRT score. Now there is a second score. Okay, this second score in speech audiometry is SDS score. All right, so this SDS score means speech discrimination score. This is speech discrimination score. Now what is checked in speech discrimination score? Is phonetically balanced words. What is checked in speech discrimination score is phonetically balanced word, like pin, tin, bin. So these are phonetically balanced words, right? Okay, and these words have to be identified 40 decibels above the SRT. So first we find the SRT. That means we find a person who can at least hit 50% of the balls outside the boundary. So he was taking in the cricket team. Now let's say this person comes to play after 40 overs. So who comes to play after 40 overs? So we know who comes to play. Mahendra Singh Dhoni. Okay, MSD. Mahendra Singh Dhoni, he is the number one finisher of our team. So Mahendra Singh Dhoni comes to play after 40 overs. So we has the MSD score, MSDS. Okay, so we have the MSDS score, okay, or the Mahendra Singh Dhoni score. So this is the speech discrimination score. So what is done over there? This SDS, this speech discrimination score, that is above 40 decibels. So what does Mahendra Singh Dhoni said? He said, I will send a person after 40 overs, the person who is capable of hitting all the balls outside the boundary. So after 40 overs, you don't need 50%, you need 100% balls to be hit outside the boundary. Alright, so SDS means the speech discrimination score has to go 100%. Alright, so this is known as PB max. So PB max. So max, from the max I have taken the M. Okay, so Mahendra Singh Dhoni score or the SDS over here, this PB max has to reach 100%, 40 decibels above SRT. Right? So this SDS, the PB max in SDS, the PB max is 100% at near 40 decibels above the SRT. Right? Okay. If there is a conductive hearing loss, the patient can still achieve PB max of 100. He can still identify all the phonetically balanced word correctly, but the sound required is more. Okay, so the PB max score in conductive hearing loss shift towards right, but patient is still able to understand and correctly identify all the words. Now, what happens in a sensory hearing loss? In a cochlear hearing loss, patient is never able to identify all the words correctly. Patient is never able to identify all the words correctly. Okay, so the PB max is never 100%. Right? There is a plateau. There is a plateau, never goes above that. Now, in case of retrocochlear hearing loss, if we keep on increasing the intensity of sound, there is a rollover phenomena. That means we are increasing the intensity, and what happens? There is a rollover phenomena. The rollover phenomena means now the phonetically balanced word, the PB max score, it goes down. Okay, so if we increase the intensity further after a peak, the PB max score goes down. This is known as rollover phenomena. This is seen in retrocochlear hearing loss. Okay, so speech audiometry can be used to differentiate between cochlear and retrocochlear hearing loss.